Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Well, if you're seeing this, it must be Wednesday, and that would be the Brewed Beauties Collab Day, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992, and also in the collab, as of now, is Char's from Char's Fashion Nation, and myself. So please watch the other girls in the collab. Um, I'll have their channels listed below and see what they come up with. So this week's theme is, it's my birthday week. I am pre-filming this. It is March 24th. I'm pre-filming because I have a lot of things I have to do the week of my birthday. And they asked me what my favorite colors were. And I told them plum purple, pumpkin orange, and sage green. And those are, I love those colors. So with that said, we're going to do a look using either one or all three of those colors. And I'm going to attempt to use all three and see how the look comes out. But yeah, so this should air. It'll be the 29th when you see this. And I do have a video prior to this explaining everything that's been going on. So I did my foundation. I used the CoverGirl Simply Ageless primer, Simply Ageless foundation, and honey. I used Makeup Revolution concealer and light, which I really needed. Sorry about the bags on rise, but lack of sleep. I used the Milani eye primer, and I powdered that down with Touchable Hold translucent setting powder. This is from Unique. My cousin used to sell that makeup, and I bought it, so I'm using it. I know the backstory, the ML, the Unique story. So whatever. Not doing anything to my eyebrows. I used e.l.f. blush palette, and I used the pink color as blush. I'm not going to contour and all that today. It's just because I have to pre-film. I'm going to be washing this off right after, and pre-filming a couple videos because the next couple weeks is going to be very busy. Sorry about no magic mask. Oh, I'll get to that. You'll understand why by the time you watch this. I'm using Jeffree Star's Psychedelic Circus for this look. I'm going to try something I've never tried before. Hopefully it works out. If you're seeing this, it worked out. If you're not, then it didn't. And you don't even know it happened. I'm going to go in with this brush. I'm going into, let me get something to cover that mirror. I'm going to go into that pumpkin orange color called Nature Escape. Let's see, I want a little bit of a more dense brush. That'll do. I've never used this color yet in this palette. I'm really enjoying this palette. I am going to... It's very pigmented, and it's definitely pumpkin orange. I'll do one eye on and one eye off. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm dipping in that same color. And I'm going to bring that down. I want more of a... I usually do under my eyes last, but I want this pretty... I'm going to blend it, but There, that's the shape I'm going for. I don't really know what I'm doing with this look. I don't know. This is different. I like those, like the fall colors. And I associate that plum purple, like with the eggplant. Like, because eggplants are usually, like, I usually, when you're picking them, it's towards fall. Because they're finally done. I mean, I get some during the summer, too. But, alright. Okay, that looks pretty good. I thought I'd use that purple palette of Jeffrey's, but there's no plummy type purples in there. Everything seems to be more like a pinkish purple. So I'm going to go into Transgendence. It's a deep purple. And I'm going to go into the outer V. I'm going to tap that on. I don't want it like mixing with the orange, but I want it to be right by the orange. I am going to try to blend it without it becoming muddy. It almost looks blue on here, but believe me, this is a really dark. It's a dark purple. And on the camera it looks blue, but it really isn't. And I'm not tech savvy enough to show you, like with my phone, what it looks like. If you hear laughing or talking in the background, that's my daughter. I have a monitor on so I can hear her and see her. There's a camera while I'm filming, because in case she needs me. Because as you know, she went from being basically independent with my guidance to not. Bring that up. Blend this. All I did was touch the orange. I don't want it to get muddy, but we'll see. Alright. I'm just cleaning my brush in between so I don't muddy those two colors. I'm going to pick up more of that purple, deepen that. Clean the brush and blend. I don't know if I like this or not. I'm just going to continue on, right? And if I don't like it, we wash it off and we start over. Alright, I need a different brush. I'm going to use this brush. It's a little round, like barrelhead brush. I'm going into Joshua Tree, which is like a sage green. It matches my shirt. And tapping that in. And bring it up just a little bit. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I like this. If I had a different eyelid shape, I could really, like, pull it out. But having those hooded eyes... Alright, let me try something. See, it mixed with that purple a little bit and got muddy there. There's not much I can do about it. Alright, we're gonna go with it. We're gonna see what it turns out like. Alright, so there's the sage green, the purple, and the orange. I'm going to pause this, go do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay. 10 minutes for me, 10 seconds for you. Alrighty. So this is... See, this eye came out a little bit better. Practice makes perfect. I've never really done a look so, like, with such contrasting colors, like side by side. As you can see on this one, it's tiny, it's a bit muddy. But by the time I got over here, I learned how to lay it in and blend it out without, you know, mixing the two, that it became extremely muddy. I was going to put eyeliner on, but I kind of like this. It's very bold. I went underneath with the orange color, like almost to there, and then I used the green. And then I used the sparkly into the forest in my inner corner. And I haven't done anything up here yet. I use Lash It Loud by e.l.f. on top lashes and ColourPop Level Up on my bottom lashes. Like I said, this is a really bold look. I don't want to weigh it down with eyeliner. Do you know what I mean? I mean, it looks like my eyes look wide open considering I'm so tired. Oh, and I used, where'd it go? The peach color from Animal Crossing lip pencil from ColourPop. Because, you know, the eye's bold enough. So, I hope you guys like it. But anyway, this is my birthday look. And a little bit about me. I turned 57 years old yesterday. I am a mother of 4 children, 3 of my own and a stepchild. My oldest is a daughter. Her name is Heidi. She's 39 years old and will be 40 in July. My second oldest is my natural born son. He is 37 and he will turn 38 in November. And my stepson John is 36 and will turn 37 in August of this year. And my youngest daughter is JC, and she will turn 27 in December, so she's 26 years old presently. I have 6 grandchildren. I have a stepson and 3 stepdaughters to this marriage. They're all adults except for the stepson, who is living with us now. On that side, I have 3, 4, 5 step grandchildren. And I actually have 6 grandchildren on, like, my kids' side. 6 grandchildren. There is 4 boys and 2 girls on that side. And on the other side, there is 3 boys and 2 girls. So, that's that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's enough about me. If you have any questions, you want to know something about me, ask. Yeah, just ask in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this look. I'll come up closer so you can see. I think it came out pretty. They, you know, using my favorite colors. I mean, I like it. So, thank you for watching. Please go watch some of the other Brewed beauties. As I mentioned before, the host, Alex, from Makeup Addict 1992, and Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Please go check out their channels. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like content like this and want to be notified each and every time I update. Have a beautiful day. positive energy your way. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.